I can hear it. You're sitting there, 40 years old. The clock is ticking louder every single day. You lie awake, staring at the ceiling at night, and you ask yourself that terrible question. Am I too late? Have I missed my chance? Maybe you made some mistakes back in your 20s. We all did. Maybe life threw some unexpected punches your way. A divorce, a job loss, medical bills you never saw coming. And now, when you check your bank account, it sits at a cold, brutal zero. You scroll through social media and you see these 22-year-old kids retiring, living on beaches, passive income, financial freedom, and the panic starts to set in. That crushing feeling in your chest, that voice saying you're too far behind. But I'm here to tell you something important today. As a professor who studies wealth, I promise you this. The math is still on your side. The numbers still work. It is never, ever too late to start building wealth. I felt this exact same feeling, just like you're feeling right now. I spent days, weeks, even months wondering what to do, paralyzed by fear. But in the end, I found the right path. I figured it out, and I succeeded. And you know what? You will too. You absolutely will. In today's class, I'm going to teach you exactly how to build a secure and wealthy retirement, starting from complete scratch. From zero. Class is officially in session. Let's begin this journey together. First, let's correct a dangerous misconception that's been holding you back. A lie that society has been telling you for years. Age 40 isn't the finish line. It's not the end of your productive years. It's not when your opportunities run out. It's actually the complete opposite. Age 40 is your most productive season, your prime time, and I'm going to prove it to you right now. Why? Because at 40, you finally have something that a 20-year-old simply doesn't have. You have real experience. You have focus that comes from maturity. You have clarity about what actually matters in life. After 20 years of living, working, struggling, making mistakes, and learning from them, you finally know which mistakes to avoid. You've been through the fire, and that's incredibly powerful. When people hit 40, they look back at all their past errors, all their missed opportunities, all their financial mistakes, and they think it's all over. They think the game is finished. They think they've lost their chance. But here's the truth. They're only fooling themselves. This age, these 40 years, have taught you invaluable lessons. Lessons that money simply cannot buy. Wisdom that only comes from experience. And now, right now, it's time to put that hard-earned experience to work for your financial future. Now, let's get to work. Here's your 5-step action plan. This is practical. This is doable. Step 1, lifestyle audit. Listen to me very carefully. Luxury spending, trying to look rich, keeping up with appearances, buying things to impress people. After 40, these are pure liabilities. They're not investments. They're destroying your financial future every single day. You must cut them out ruthlessly. Take 20% of your income every single month and allocate it directly to your recovery fund. 20%. This is non-negotiable. This is your foundation. Step 2, catch-up contributions. Here's the good news, and pay attention because this is huge. The tax systems are actually on your side for once in your life. After you turn 50 years old, you unlock something powerful called catch-up contributions. This special provision lets you save significantly more extra money in your 401k and your IRA accounts. The government literally created this program specifically to help people like you who started late. It's designed for late starters. Use it to your advantage. Step 3. The index fund machine. Stop looking for adventures. Stop trying to pick the next Amazon or the next Tesla. Stop watching YouTube videos about get-rich-quick schemes. That's not investing. That's gambling. S&P 500, or total stock market index funds. These simple, boring investments are your absolute best friends. This is how real wealth building actually works. True investing means 3 fundamental things: savings, patience, and power. Money is great power when used correctly and strategically. These 3 pillars work together in harmony. Savings provides the initial capital you need. Patience allows compound interest to work its mathematical magic over time. And power comes from achieving true financial security and independence. A simple, straight path beats the complicated, confusing maze every single time in investing. Set up complete automation. Make your entire system systematic and foolproof. Your money moves automatically from your paycheck directly into your investments without you touching it. You never see it in your checking account. You never get tempted to spend it. The machine runs itself on autopilot. That's exactly how you remove dangerous emotion from the entire equation. Here's the complete mathematical formula. 20% lifestyle cut, plus aggressive catch-up contributions after 50, plus consistent index fund investing equals $500,000 by age 55. That's the proven math. That's your clear roadmap. It's beautifully simple. It's historically proven, and it absolutely works if you execute the plan with discipline. Here's what you need to understand. Your biggest enemy isn't time. It's not the market. It's not the economy. Your biggest enemy is the refusal to start because you think you're too late. That mental block is what's really destroying your future. If you don't start today, where will you be in 5 years? I'll tell you exactly where. The exact same spot, same zero balance, same stress, same regret. But if you start today, right now, in 5 years, you could have a completely different life. Your destiny isn't written by the miracles you wait for. It's written by the steps you take. And that first step, that critical first decision, can be taken right now. This moment. Stop waiting for perfect timing. There is no perfect timing. There's only now. Make a decision today, right now. Either keep grieving over your past losses, dwelling on what could have been, or make absolutely sure your future self thanks you for taking action. In today's class, we covered the complete roadmap, the exact path from $0 at 40 to $500,000 by 55. The math works. The system is proven. Class is dismissed. But remember this, your journey, your real journey, is just beginning. Now go build your future.